Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use ChatGPT as an image converter tool. Here you can go and type ChatGPT. Now you can attach the file. So let me show you the file that I want to convert. Here you can see I have a couple of images and let me show you the formats of images. Simply let me click on properties and here you can see .webp format. So I have a zip file. Simply you can go and create a zip file, send to compressed. So after creating a zip file, you can go and select that file that containing all the images. And here you can type convert all the images into PNG format. So within couple of seconds, it will start processing, and after that you will get your desired result. Now here you can see images are converted. Now you can simply click on this file and download it. Now let's see what's inside this file. Extract and then open. So now let's go and right click properties. Now here you can see all the images are converted into PNG format.